So day 8 of mycology, and these are the seeds I planted in the lid, and these are doing really well. So I was feeling a little bit damp, dry, so I'm going to just give them a little bit of water. Won't need as much as the trays. And then the broccoli that's sprouting in here, I'm going to give that some more water, and then I'm going to cover it back over again and put it back in the dark, and just keep an eye every day, just keeping an eye on that, whether you water it morning. As they grow, they're going to need more water, so every morning, every evening, just check in, and you can see that these have been growing over towards the light, so you can just turn them round and then they grow back the other way.